To stay emotionally connected, it's very, very important for couples to do what I call quick connects. We do a lot of quick connecting with technology. We can check our phones, the computer, or our computer to check the news and that kind of thing. We can put our coffee in the microwave and kind of quick connect it and warm it up. Likewise, couples need to quick connect. So what are quick connects? There are 3 technology quick connects: text messages, emails, and quick phone calls. And by quick phone calls, I'm saying 30 seconds, 60 seconds. You know, how's your day going? How's your day going? I love you. And just connecting that way. And then there are 4 physical quick connects. Just quick hugs, quick kisses, pecks on the cheek, pecks on the lips, quick touches, holding hands together when you walk into church. You know, there's 4 of those. And then there is the spiritual prayer quick connect. Not just praying at dinner time or meal time, but quick connecting throughout the day, praying for someone who's ill or praying for someone else's need. And so those quick connects help a couple stay emotionally connected. And I always recommend that there be a minimum of 12 quick connects a day from all of those. Now, couples can easily get 4 in by wife texting the husband in the morning, husband texting the wife in the morning. Likewise, in the afternoon, they do that. Well, there's 4 quick connects. And it could be something as simple as LY, love you, or MY, miss you. I saw a couple years ago whose the husband unfortunately had committed adultery, but they have a very healthy, happy marriage today, better than it's ever been, because they learned these simple yet very effective habits for staying emotionally connected. But even in his police car, he would text his wife in the midst of being busy, TAY. And I said, what does that mean? And he said, thinking about you. Quick connects need to happen. 3 quick examples. I saw a husband who came in without his wife. I expressed the importance of, or suggested the importance of quick connects. And he said, I don't think my wife and I will do 4 a day. And I said, I hope and pray you're wrong, because you're not going to be emotionally connected. Well, sure enough, he and his wife came in and they were not doing 4 quick connects a day. And how was their connection? It was emotionally distant. I saw another husband came in with his wife and he said, I think we can do 30 a day. And I said, fantastic. And sure enough, when he and his wife came in, they weren't always hitting 30, but they were doing at least 20 quick connects a day. And how was their emotional connection? It was excellent. You know, they were connecting throughout the day through the technology and the physical quick connects. Sadly, I could tell you a story. I saw a doctor and his fiancée, future bride, they were in their 40s. It was a remarriage situation. They both were divorced. Both were heartbroken about the divorce. They didn't want this marriage to end in divorce. When I went over the quick connects, I went over all the simple yet effective habits with them. They had the money to go to counseling and kept coming back. I remember both of them kind of smiling when I mentioned the quick connects, and I said, what are you smiling about? And they said, we're doing 50 quick connects a day. And I said, that is terrific. I said, how many quick connects were you doing in your prior 2 marriages before you got divorced? And then they kind of got sad expressions and said, you're right, we probably weren't doing 4 a day. Premaritally, what do most couples do? They probably do 40 or 50 quick connects a day. But that needs to continue for an emotional connection after marriage. The other key, I think, to staying emotionally connected are the 4 essentials. And the 4 essentials are goodbye, I love you, good night, I love you. Whoever leaves the house first, I don't care if they're going to work, going to the grocery store, going to the hardware store, they always need to say goodbye, I love you, and then the other person can say goodbye, I love you. That gives 2 I love yous that day. Whoever goes to bed first at night can say good night, I love you. And the other spouse say good night, I love you if they're not going to bed at the same time. In troubled marriages, struggling marriages, those goodbye, I love yous, good night, I love yous don't happen. And the third essential is to make the first 5 minutes of the day positive. The Bible says gentle words create life and health. Griping brings discouragement. And so there should not be any C's in the first 5 minutes of the day. No corrections, no criticism, no complaining, no condemning. Just a positive time. You don't have to be bubbly joyful the first 5 minutes, but just don't be griping during the first 5 minutes. When a couple reconnects at the end of the day, they need to take 2 minutes within 20 minutes to reconnect. Whoever comes home last from work may go change their clothes, put things away, check the mail, but at some point, because they may not always want to reconnect right away, at some point within 20 minutes, couples need to emotionally bond. I think it's a great time to do the 10-second hug, 10-second kiss. Ask each other 2 questions. How was your day? What was the best thing about your day? And so the quick connects and what I call the 4 essentials make a huge difference for every marriage in maintaining emotional closeness.